Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable broadcast channel invites on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Select the hamburger icon now in the top right corner. And then underneath how you use Instagram, select notifications. And where it says messages, go ahead and select that. And then scroll down where it says broadcast channel invites. You can just turn it off by selecting the off option right here. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.